Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called Outschool. So what is the work of Outschool? So Outschool lets you earn online by teaching kids, like it might be social skills, it might be anything guys. You can teach them about their math subject, English subject, or anything. So if you are a teacher, you can literally earn without school. So now let's explore the website together. As you can see here, says go beyond the classroom. You can see here live online small group classes and one-to-one tutoring led by real teacher, designed to spark curiosity and build real-world skill. So you can literally teach people on how to do anything guys. So you can literally teach all these kids like how to, might be like it might be about their math class, it might be about their English class or social class guys. Anything you can literally teach them and you will make money for yourself. So as you can see here, it says popular classes. You see here back to school study skill camp. You see here this person has a 5-star rating. So the next one here says middle school maths summer camp, getting back to the basics. So you can see here this person has 4.9 and it has over 26 rating. You can see here also back to school ESL speaking game for beginners. And you can see here also my Minecraft back to school fun. So all these things you can also join all these people to make money for yourself guys, and that's just how it works. You can see here it says why choose Outschool. So here build for your kids unique needs, live classes on your schedule, flexible plan for every family. So you can do like set a flexible plan for yourself so that you can teach all these kids anytime you are flexible of teaching guys. So you can have your day job and you can also work on Outschool as a side hustle. So as you can see here, these are some teachers. See, Chris Bain, a former theme park artist and designer. Mr. Chris help kids dream big and express themselves. And see also Chidumebi Ikechi Njoko. What kind of name is this? So as you can see here, it says from fossil to folklore. Mr. Njoko Brown bring unmatched energy and expertise to every lesson. And I can see here Dr. Pete. Dr. Pete keep young minds engaged with thoughtful experiments, media, and fun facts across this field. So there are a lot of people like these guys. You can also join people like this to make money on Outschool. So that's just how it works. So now let's click on browse and you can see a tutorial. You see by grade level, you see kindergarten, you see first grade, second grade, fifth grade, 10th grade, 12th grade guys. So you can literally teach people like if you're not really good, you can teach first grade, you can teach second grade guys. So and if you are really good, you can go to like 12th grade, 11th grade. You can literally teach people guys. As you can see here, academic tutoring, you see mathematics, science, history, world language, SAT, ACT, you see one-on-one coaching, you see social skills, study skills, sport. So you can literally teach them about anything guys. So I click on sport now. So let's see. You can see here it says online sports coaching for kids and teens. You see here engaging live video chat classes. So classes are done using Zoom. So that's just how it works guys. And you can see here this person gets 80 coin per session guys, and you can see here so age 10 to 14 on demand. So this person only teach age 10 to 14. So you can also be people like this. You can see here you can earn up to 180 coin. So just create an account and check out Outschool guys, so that you can make money for yourself. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, and thank you for watching. See you next time.